Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and then here in the search pool we should enter Ampere. And now we should get this first application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app, click yes to agree, pick close, on the left down corner tap to OK, and now we can see here information about our device temperature, and in my case that's 26 degrees. Also we can find here more information like the battery level, health capacity, voltage, Android version, model of our smartphone, and more other info. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.